to show you how to make chicken tenders in my air fryer. Now these chicken tenders are super tender, they're delicious, they taste great, and they're super easy to make. The air fryer that I use is called the Ninja Foodi Max or the Ninja Foodi XL, depending on where you are in the world, and I'll link it below if you want to go and check it out. And also, if you want to make this recipe and want to see the full written version of it, then I'll link below my blog post because I've written it out in full and made it super easy for you. But yeah, my belly is calling for chicken tenders, so I think we should go and make some. Let's do it. Okay, so here is everything that you're gonna need. Firstly, obviously, we've got some chicken breast mini fillets. You could use any cut of chicken, but I just like the shapes of these for chicken tenders. I've got some breadcrumbs. I've got some flour. Obviously, both of these are gluten-free for me, but you can use whatever you want or need. Then I've got 2 eggs. And then seasoning-wise, obviously we've got some salt, and I'm using some white pepper, but you can use black pepper. And then we've got some oregano. I've got some smoked paprika. I've got some chili flakes. If you don't have oregano for some reason, you could just use mixed herbs. It's just got more herbs in it, but it usually has oregano in. So yeah, that is everything that you'll need. Let's get making. Okay, so first things first, I've got my breadcrumbs and I'm gonna add all my different spices to it and then mix it all around so it's nicely combined and spiced and delicious. Okay, so now that's done, we're kind of gonna set up our chicken breadcrumbing station. So we've got that bowl there, then I'm going to get my flour bowl, which can just go there, and then my egg bowl. But I probably should break these eggs in. Oh, the pepper that I just put in there is gonna make me sneeze. No, I'm okay. So yeah, need to chop these? No, I need to crack these eggs in. And then I'm just gonna beat them, and then we've got like our chicken tenders breadcrumbing station at the ready, and the only other thing we'll need is the chicken tenders and of course the air fryer. Okay, I'm gonna sneeze. Oh. No, I'm fine. Okay, so let's put our things into order. So we'll go with the flour first, then we'll be going into the egg, and then we'll be going into the breadcrumbs, and then I've got a plate just slightly off camera which will hold my breadcrumbed chicken. So what we want to do, let's start it. Want to go coat it, then coat it in this, then coat it in that, and then we'll have a plate. So I'll just get on with that and I'll show you them when they're all ready to go into that amazing creation, the air fryer. Okay, so here we go. Looking lovely, and obviously with an air fryer you don't want to put absolutely tons of things in there. You want it to be like a one layer, because otherwise they just don't crisp up as well. So this is probably the perfect amount for my size air fryer, and then I'll make a few afterwards with the rest of the ingredients and stuff. But yeah, perfect. So let's get the air fryer out. Okay, so I've got my air fryer out. I'm just gonna turn it on because it needs to preheat. So we're gonna go to air fry. I'm gonna have it on 200, and I'm putting in the minutes now. So this is gonna go on for sort of 10 to 12 minutes. So let's do slap bang in the middle, 11. I'll press start, and then it will start becoming very loud and heating up, and then it will tell me when it's ready for the food to go in. Okay, so we've been told that we can add the food. So I'm gonna open this up. It's all ready for us. One thing I forgot to say is that you'll also need a little bit of oil. This isn't 1 calorie spray, it's just a bottle that I filled with some garlic infused oil. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna place these in, and then we'll spray the tops of them with the oil. Shut the lid, and in about 3 to 4 minutes, I'm gonna just open it up and turn them over. And then once I've turned them over, I can leave them until they're done. So I completely forgot, and it's a bit over 4 minutes now, more like 5, but I'm just going to open this up. Oh my God, they look so lovely and golden. And I'm just gonna turn them over. I think I'll put the camera down for that because this is hot and I kind of need to be careful. But yeah, basically gonna flip these all over, put the lid down and let them cook until the beeper dinger thing goes to tell me that it's done. So yeah, let's do that now. Okay, so we're all done. And look at them. They are so lovely and crispy, really golden. And I know that they're full of awesome flavour. So you could have these like in a wrap with some chips. It's just so quick, so easy, and that little bit more healthy as well, which in my view is a big old thumbs up. You'll find even more tasty, comforting food just like this in my book, which is available to pre-order. It's called How to Make Anything Gluten-Free, which, as the name suggests, means that everything in the book is gluten-free. So if that's your jam, go and check it out. I'll put a link below. And if you've enjoyed this video and want to watch more videos like this, you might like to check out my video up here, which is a review of my air fryer, or you might like to check out this video, which shows you how to make amazing chips 3 ways in the air fryer. And with that, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.